Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are a Windows 10 user, something might have happened. A lot of people have actually complained or talked about the fact that even if your PC is not compatible with Windows 11, a lot of you are getting Windows 11 to install in Windows updates. So basically, Microsoft says that it's some kind of flaw with the servers and check on your computer to see if Windows 11 is compatible with your machine. But it fails to test it properly, and what it finally does is give you the official message that, oh, if you want to upgrade to Windows 11, you can do it now. Of course, it will fail because it's not supposed to, but Microsoft says that it knows that it's happening. It's apparently started about a week ago and is ongoing. So if you see it and your PC is not compatible, yeah, there's a possibility that it happened. But worse than that, it could even show up, say, on a PC that, for example, would have a blocker. So you could be on Windows 10. You could be one of those machines that can't right now update because there's some blocker for maybe hardware or a driver or something. And it will still show up, meaning that it might actually force update you and you get to Windows 11 with a possible buggy PC. And so Microsoft says if it happens, you can go and manually roll back. You've got a couple of weeks when that happens. But still, it's kind of an annoyance here. And I think if you just want to stay safe, you can delay updates for a few days. Make sure that feature updates don't show up. But another blunder from Microsoft. I don't know, but it seems like Microsoft is really creating a lot of problems lately and has a lot of issues and stupid things that are happening. This is incredible. So if you see Windows 11 on a PC that's not compatible, offered, well, it's a bug. And if you see it appear on your PC but you don't want to move on, well, just ignore it as much as possible. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.